What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So in past, when OnePlus rolled out OxygenOS 12 stable builds for OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus 9 series, most users initially updated their device, but due to bugs and stability issues, most of them downgraded their device, and now we have been seeing many users complaining that they are not able to update their device or they are not receiving the OTA update, wherein they have also tried using OxygenOS updater application and there also they get an error. So in this video, we'll show you guys how can you update your device to OxygenOS 12 or 12.1 if you are not receiving OTA update. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so here we have our OnePlus 8, which is currently running on the stable build and the final build of OxygenOS 12, which is 11.0.11.11. And if I go to system update section, here you can see I don't have any OTA update based on OxygenOS 12 or 12.1. We are exactly not sure what's going on in the background and why OnePlus have paused the OTA update. This was also the case on OnePlus 9 series, but now if you downgrade your OnePlus 9 to OxygenOS 11, you do get an OTA update of OxygenOS 12. So I guess here OTA server for OnePlus 9 series have been fixed. The only device which is left behind is OnePlus 8 series. So in this case guys, as said, many users also complained that they are not able to use OxygenOS updater application to update their devices. Let me show you an example here. So here you can see this was the first stable build, which is C.11, and soon I tap on download update, we do get an error over here. So people are not able to update to OxygenOS 12 or 12.1, and there are no full zip files present of C.11 version. So in this case, what you guys can do, I'll leave all the files in the description below. Just download them one by one and perform a local upgrade to update your device to OxygenOS 12. So first file which is there, which you need to install, let me show you that. So this is the OxygenOS 12 Open Beta 1 package. So I have downloaded on my device. If you download on your device, you'll get the file format as .zip.jar. You need to rename this file and remove .jar extension from the end. So let's remove it and save the file. Once you do that, now copy the file and place it inside the internal storage, or you can say root directory. Avoid placing it inside any of the folders. So let's paste this file here, and this version is I guess C.10. And guys, you'll find all the links in the description below. All are official links. Just make sure to use the correct package of your device. Once you place the file, just go to system update section, tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade and choose the file. And also try taking backup of your device. Though it doesn't wipe the data, but for safety purpose, just take a backup. So here you can see installation process have been started. We'll wait for the installation process to complete. Once it's done, I'll get back to you guys. Once installation process is completed, reboot your device. Okay, so now our device have been successfully booted up and we have installed OxygenOS 12 first beta build. Let me show you the software information by going to about section. Here you can see Android version is Android 12. And if you tap on version, it is C.10. So this was the first beta build. And now if you check the system update section, we still don't get the updates here. And now again, we need to manually update a device. So here is the next build which you need to flash, and that's an incremental build which is of approximate 800 MB and the version is C.17. Download this file and place it inside the internal storage. As said, C.10, C.17 and C.20, all the three files can be found in the description below. Later you also need an application called Oneplus local update application. So this is the application. If you are downloading on your device, the file format would be .zip. You need to rename and remove .zip from the end. Then save the file and install it like a normal APK. Once done, open this application. Tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner and now select the incremental zip file of version C.17. Select this, tap on install and wait for the installation process to complete. So now we have successfully installed version C.17. Let's reboot our device. And here our device have been successfully booted up. Let me again show you guys version of this build. So if you go to version, it says C.17. And I guess this was the last version based on OxygenOS 12. Recently OnePlus have released OxygenOS 12.1 for OnePlus 8 series. And now again you need to download a file which is of version C.20. So this is the file here guys, where an update size would be approximate 1.2 GB. This is also an incremental file. Just download it from description below. Again open the Oneplus local update application, tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, and now select the OxygenOS 12.1 package, which will be approximate 1.2 GB. Selecting it, tap on install and wait for the installation process to complete. And I hope in future we get OTA updates from OnePlus after flashing these 3 files manually. And I'll let you know guys in the comment section below whenever we have a new update. I'll pin a comment in which I'll mention whether I received an OTA update or I had to do it manually. And now this is the last reboot. After that we'll have OxygenOS 12.1 running on a OnePlus 8 series. So device successfully booted up. Now let me show you the software information. Going to about section. If you see the version, it says C.20, and if you tap on system update, here you can see it says OxygenOS 12.1. So this is the latest stable build based on OxygenOS 12 for OnePlus 8 series. And guys, the reason behind this video is because there are many confusions about updating device, how to update, which all builds to be used, because there have been a lot of changes done by OnePlus. And for us also it took around a whole day to figure out which all builds can be manually flashed. So guys, this way you can update your OnePlus 8 series to latest OxygenOS 12 if you have downgraded to OxygenOS 11 and if you are not receiving OTA update. I hope this video gonna help you guys to update your device. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.